Welcome to Comment Cocktails. I'm your host, Eric Schomer, and today I'm going to make a recipe that my wife invented for a cocktail contest. This video has to be under 2 minutes for this contest. So, here we go. This is going to be challenging, but I can edit. The cocktail is called the Oolong Summer. It features vodka, Tito's handmade American vodka. Let's get this party started. Right? Let's get this party started. Quickly. 2 ounces of Titos Vodka. 1/4 ounce of the Maraschino Liqueur. 1/4 ounce of Gomme Syrup. If you don't have Gomme Syrup, you can use rich simple syrup. If you don't have rich simple syrup, you can use regular simple syrup. If you don't have that, you can make it by boiling water. Rich simple syrup, 2 parts sugar, 1 part water. 1 ounce Pomegranate Juice. Also, we're going to use a garnish because we can. It's going to be a lime wheel with a maraschino cherry through it. 1 ounce of our secret ingredient, Oolong Tea. 4 dashes, Scrappy chocolate bitters. We're going to serve this up in a Chicago highball glass. Ice. Shake it. About 15 seconds, maybe 10 seconds. Strain over that fresh ice. Garnish. Straw. The Oolong Summer. Refreshing. With a little bit of a bitter accent towards the finish. Kind of that little maraschino, earthy distilled cherry taste. And then boom. This crazy twist, berry, bitter at the same time kind of happening. Followed up in the finish. That's it. More videos in the corners. We're teaching you how to drink. Hope I did that in 2 minutes.